One of the dangerous problems rabbit farmers are facing in Africa is market. Who will buy? You see, because rabbit is highly productive and most farmers find it difficult to sell their produce, to sell their animals, to sell their rabbits when they get to maturity. Who will help us to create this market? If you have the capital to buy from these farmers, turn them to frozen meats and sell. Who will help us to open retail stores just for rabbit meat, like frozen meats? Chicken is frozen and people know it. Who will create the awareness that rabbit meat is the best? Who will create the awareness that rabbit meat can be eaten by both the young and the old, sick and healthy? Who will help us to create the awareness in Africa that rabbit meat is one of the best meat that anybody can eat? Who will help us connect restaurants, fast food joints, and cold rooms where the farmer can easily sell this rabbit to you, and then you process, sell the skin as leather, and then froze the meat, and then you can supply to restaurants, to other retail stores, and make profit. And so we need sales outlets and funnels. Someone to create sales outlets for rabbit, create the awareness, and then start drawing from these farmers. A lot of persons have been complaining. I receive a lot of calls from left, right, up and down, and almost every week I receive calls from farmers how they will sell their rabbits. And the truth is that if you can bridge this gap between the farmers and the buyers, you make millions, because more persons will go into the production. Your own is to buy from them and sell it to restaurants, send it to fast food joints, send it to events and occasions, all kind of places. If you have the marketing skills, you can step into this, bridge this gap, and make good money.